Here's how to turn off Automix on Apple Music. Now open up the Apple Music app. There are two different ways that we can disable the Automix or that song transition. The first way is to tap on the current song that you're listening to, in this case, Manu Chao. If I wanted to turn off that Automix for this just one song, I can disable it for one song or across every song across the entire app. Now from here, I'm going to tap on those three lines at the very bottom right, and you can see at the top right, those two circles are Automix. All I need to do is tap on it, and essentially I've disabled it for this one song. However, keep in mind, if you want to disable it across the entire app, you can't do it in the Apple Music app. You need to hop out of here and open up your settings instead. Oh, let me go back to the beginning of my settings. Now at the very beginning of your settings, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. And then from here, we're going to scroll down until we find Apple Music on this list. It just says Music. And now from here, it's pretty easy. We can scroll down to Song Transitions. And if this is turned on with Automix or Crossfade, you can choose to customize it, or you can just choose to turn this off if you don't want it anymore on Apple Music.